This is our Salesforce organization. Now if you want to go in our app, just simply search for WhatsApp Web. This is our WhatsApp shared inbox. Now I am sending a message to a WhatsApp scan number, which we have already done here. This number is already connected, so I'm sending a message from my phone to this number. See, I have sent the message to this connected number. So my number is visible here, so now I am able to chat with this number. I'm sending a message to this number here. Also, we can send the template that we have already created. I'm sending a feedback template. If we want to get any feedback regarding our product, so we can just simply send this type of template to the customer. Once the customer has received this template, I will simply reply from my phone to 0 to 1, 0 to 5. So I am selecting 5. So for that, we have implemented automated message, which is going from our organization. This is contact info, which we have implemented. I also click on profile photo. From there, we can check the contact detail, or we can redirect from the contact. Also, we have implemented our chat info here. So if I am in contact, I also can chat with this phone from here. So let me send a message from here. Message is sent. Let me send from my phone. Yeah, so we can do from here. Also, we have implemented a utility bar from where we can access our WhatsApp login from everywhere in the screen in the Salesforce. Like, let me show you. If I am here in the WhatsApp login, so I want to send message to the customer. So I'm click here. So we check, we can see the old contact, which is available in Salesforce. We can see here. Also, we can do chat from here as well. So this is our form. Thank you.